How to use Cameo PowerPoint. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to use Cameo PowerPoint. So if you want to learn how it's done, watch this video until the very end. This is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, you can see this insert button right here. So you can just click on that, and on the very far right of your ribbon, you can see this Cameo right here. So just click on that, and this icon right here will show up, and if you click on this button right here, then this will open the camera feed on your computer. So as you can see right now, it is color black because I have something entering my camera, but if I click on this again, then this will turn off. In here on the right, you can see some designer ideas that you can use. So for example, I want to use this designer idea. Then in that case, then this presentation will actually add in something like this, and the camera will be as big as this. Also, you can see other designs idea right here, like this one, and also this one right here, and also this, like this. So you can use this Cameo whenever you are presenting to your team or to your teammates, because if you present this PowerPoint to them in a Google Meet or a Zoom, then you can actually show your camera on the PowerPoint itself. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to use Cameo in PowerPoint. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.